Hey guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be styling my natural hair. Before I get started, I do want to show you guys how much hair I have lost for October alone. Yeah, that's quite a bit. So I did make an appointment with my doctor just to see like what is going on. I am still taking my iron pills. I'm doing everything religiously, and yet I am still losing a ton of hair. So it's annoying, it's frustrating. This is something that's happened to me before, so I know it's like anemia related. You guys have made several comments about my dark circles and everything like that. I am severely anemic, and my dark circles, sometimes they're okay, sometimes they're horrible, but that's what it's from. So I've gotten your comments of, you know, you thought I was really sick and things like that, and technically I am with the anemia, but it's not anything that I cannot, you know, overcome or function with. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So before I forget, there's a couple of things that you're gonna need: some hair bands, Marley hair, gel, and a hairbrush. So let's begin. All right, so my wig is off. I'm taking off the wig cap, and I'm gonna start by taking out my braids. Once my braid is out, I'm gonna then start unraveling the twist. So from here, you're gonna start detangling your hair, just separating each twist and making sure that there are no tangles within your hair. And here comes the fun part. Grab your favorite gel and slick down your edges.
Time out, oh, I thought you don't use gel in your hair.
What can I say? I'm using it today.
Now, y'all know good and well I got buckshots and I gotta lay these suckers down somehow, okay? And in order to do that, I gotta use the old school black gel in order to have some type of hold, okay? The eco styler and all that kind of stuff ain't gonna cut it, all right? I need the good stuff that's gonna really hold these BDBs in place, all right? I think I should mention that I'll be washing my hair in about 3 days because the gel just tend to dry my hair out quite a bit, and I do experience breakage. All right, so now you want to start twisting your hair. And then you're going to tuck it in underneath your bands. When that step is complete, you're going to get some more gel and just apply it to your hair, and then take your brush and really try to slick it down. So I wanted to insert these photos to show you guys what the finished product would look like without any extra added hair to it. So grab any scarf and tie it really tight. Not too tight, but tight enough that it'll slick your edges down. So let's begin separating our hair. This is just a quick example of how it should be done, okay? So this is what it should look like. Here's a completed bundle, and this is the one that we're working on. So it's easier to just put the whole thing in your hand and just begin separating little by little. Take your elastic band and wrap it around the hair. And you're going to pull it through and form a knot. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. I'm going to show you that in a second. So here I'm going to take my finger through and pull the other part through and give it a nice tug. And here's what it should look like. So let's apply our kinky bundles to our hair. Simply take your elastic band and pull it over your twist. Flip the back part over and make sure that it's covering your actual hair. When you're done with that, begin twisting. Hang in there, sisters, you're almost done. Now you're going to start taking and wrapping your twist around your own hair. Make sure you're going in opposite directions with your twist so you can have a nice top knot situation. Remove your scarf, throw on some earrings, and you're complete. All right, guys, I did it. How did I do? This is my first tutorial back. I hope that it was easy to follow, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And of course, if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It does matter to me. It does matter to my channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, bye. When it comes to your hair type, you should always foresee beauty.